Good morning, everyone. Welcome. You're here from Guerrilla Woods Golf. My name is Simon, and what we've done today is put together a couple of packs of starter sets to get you into the sport. We've chosen these discs based on skill level, having a driver, mid-range, and putter for your 3-disc starter sets, including with a golf towel, as well as a bonus mini marker for Father's Day. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about how to form your shots, how to use them in the field. So we'll take the shots that we learn here today on ball diamond. We've got a little basket out there in the corner. We'll start with backhands, and then we'll do a few forehands, some basic putter throws, just so that you can get an idea for the feel of the sport. If you're coming from baseball or ball golf or any of those more traditional sports, you'll notice some of the feeling of the way the discs are going to be handled in your hands are very similar to the ways you play those sports. I'm going to start today with our drivers, and we're going to do a couple of backhand shots and just kind of get you into the rhythm of the game. Now, I've got with me an understable driver. That means that it'll have a little bit of a turn going what they call anhyzer, where it turns against the spin of the disc out to, I'm left-handed, so it'll turn a little bit out to the left and then, as they say, hyzer back in towards the basket. So let's give it a try. I'm just going to do a couple of standstill shots so that you can kind of get an idea. So here we go. Let's try that again with a mid-range. Now, mid-range is something that you would use as an approach shot. You can also use it as a drive off of the tee for shorter holes. Let's give it a try. Putter for you as well. This can also be used as a driver, by the way. Let's give this one a try as well. Lovely. Guerrilla Woods Golf is all about growing the sport. We've put together these packs here for you so that you can get into the sport at whatever level that you want to start. And we're going to be local here in the Salmon Arm Shoe Swap area in Canada. You are welcome to come and join us from further afield if you like. Come visit us at the local farmers markets on Saturdays, and I'm happy to talk to you about disc golf and how to get into it, as well as instructional one-on-one videos, and we'll also go out with you on the course and get you into the sport. So come on and welcome, everybody. Happy to have you.